The Season 4 Jupiter Airdrop is now live. So for staking and voting in the Jupiter DEX, you'll be eligible for the Season 4 Airdrop. There's up to 50 million JUP tokens and over 7 billion WEN tokens up for distribution. This is a quick and easy staking and voting tutorial. Let's get started. So to be eligible for this airdrop, you'll definitely need to stake some JUP token and vote on governance proposals. So from the homepage, navigate to the more section and the governance page. And on here, you'll first want to stake some JUP tokens. You'll have to stake a minimum of 10 JUP to get started. So in this stake tab, I've already staked 10 JUP, and from there you can scroll lower and you can access the latest proposal here. So this latest proposal asks for an alliance with Huma Finance. You can watch this video here and it'll explain the entire proposal, and there's a deeper explanation here. So you can be either for, against, or abstain from this vote. So it doesn't really matter how you vote as long as you vote. So I clicked for and I voted, and as you can see, I've already voted on this proposal. So if you haven't already, make sure you execute your vote. So I do have 10 JUP staking. That's my voting power of 10. The more JUP you stake, the higher your voting power. So for things like this, size does matter. The more JUP you stake, the higher your voting power, the higher your airdrop allocation. So yes, voting in big numbers does pay off, and you have to make sure you act fast because this voting window closes quick. If you have any pending active staking rewards, you can access it here. And if you ever wanted to unstake your JUP, you would go to this unstake tab and unstake your tokens here. Keep in mind, it does take 30 days to unstake any JUP, and any current or past proposals are found down here. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to stake and vote in the JUP DAO. Season 4 is set to be a huge airdrop, so you definitely want to be an active participant in the network. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel where I have tons of other airdrop tutorials. So what do you think about the Jupiter DAO? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.